Hey everyone, Will Rich here. So, quick update before I jump on this late night flight to Las Vegas. I'm heading out to attend the segment of the CES conference. Yep, that one that Jensen dropped some big announcements today or earlier yesterday. That news might have played a role in why quantum stocks took a huge hit today, and I'm here to get inside information for you guys. I'm really committed to bring you guys the best info, and just make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to uh, leave your comments down below, and do consider subscribing if you're getting value from the content. We're also going to be closing the sale on Stockmate soon. So if you're interested in watching me trade live at Market Open, I would encourage you to check that out. It's that second link down below if you want to learn how to invest in tech, quantum, AI, and space tech. It's all there for you guys. So again, here on the interesting part about today is that we saw a recovery start to happen. So yeah, it dropped. We can see this drop here on quantum stocks. This is kind of how the general market looked. And I'm looking at Rigetti. We drew out this trend line. And what you can see is that the trend line that we drew this was earlier today, so around 7 a.m. You could see this drop. It happened in about 20 minutes. And then after that 20-minute drop, Rigetti had dropped down to $9.70 and recovered throughout the day. It actually it actually bounced here. And so now we're seeing what could be some consolidation. This is the next level of resistance. So if we do see it consolidate, we'll see what happens. I'm really eager. I wish tomorrow the market wasn't closed, but totally get it. Rest in peace to Jimmy Carter. So that's something you got to consider. We're still going to go live tomorrow morning in our Stockmate Market Open live, just because we have a big day tomorrow at this quantum conference. So again, it's consolidating. We'll see what happens. It's a really good sign to see that it bounced here and it's keeping the trend. Except this was an artificial sell-off due to the Fed. This was kind of an artificial sell-off due to that announcement that we saw today. I mean, it's definitely, I think, an overreaction. And then after we see it bounce, start to see a recovery, you got to see it was up 4% after hours. So it's going to be interesting to see at Market Open. But this is the conference. Okay, we can actually search. One of the companies that I'm excited to go over is IONQ. So IONQ to showcase. Well, that's from Stock Titan. I think there was one directly from IONQ. Let's go directly to the source. IONQ, so quantum computing company. We saw them on AWS. I could actually, before I get into it, could show you guys the homepage here. So these are all the companies they work with. You got NVIDIA, Hyundai, you got Microsoft Azure, Amazon Bracket, Google Cloud, all that. It looks like the flight. Oh no, we're good. We're good. So you look at that, and let's take a look at this segment of CES. So you can see it's going to be happening tomorrow morning, January 9th at 9 a.m. I'll be there. This is the first ever quantum track. So quantum means Business of Quantum World Congress program. CES is of the world's most influential technology events. You see the Chief Marketing Officer, Margaret Arakawa, will take the stage at CES as part of the panel discussion. Pretty cool. And you can see they're going to be just diving deep into the quantum computing space. You can see they got partnerships with NVIDIA, AWS. So it'll be interesting to see how those partnerships function, kind of the dynamics, and how they've been able to experience the rapid growth the past few months. And they had the same sell-off really as Rigetti, except they recovered more after hours. You can see from here, their recovery after that dip was 23%. So they actually ended up recovering 23%. You can see they definitely dropped below this pattern that we had marked out. So they broke pattern massively, and that's what happened across the board. So we'll see what happens. I'm going to keep you guys updated. Make sure to subscribe. If I earned your thumbs up, hit that like button down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. And also, if you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.